Now, the other two pieces, the two side pieces, those are 4 inches wide, which is perfect for this piece. And those are going to be 18 inches long, so cut 19. So I'll go through them as I cut them out. Then set it to 19 and cut 2 more. I'm going to go ahead and start milling down my sides to the right size. Now, all of the pieces in this, the 4 sides anyway, are 1/2 inch thick. Now, that's thinner than what we usually go. This one, we normally go down to 13/16. In this case, you're going to have to look and pay attention to where you are, so make them 1/2 inch. So I'm going to make them about 1/2 turn oversized so that I can go to the sander and take care of the rest there. So get the dust collector turned on, and we'll plane them down to size. Now that pass was at 9/16. That's a full 16th, a full turn over 1/2 inch. And to save myself a little time on the sander right after this, I'm going to go a 1/2 turn further, a 32nd of an inch, just to save time, like I said. So handle down in this case, and then go ahead and run them through. Our next step here at the sander is we're going to sand these down to exactly 0.50 inches. Okay, that's critical in this case. Now I've calibrated this to be dead on the money. To the 1,000th of an inch is going to be the right thickness. That's really important when you're dealing with a CNC machine because it's going to be so precise. We need to match that precision. So instead of just once per side like we usually do, you're going to sand it until you actually get to 0.500. All right, so we're at 0.545. It's going to be a number of passes, but we need it down to 0.50. This is my last pass. Should be at 500. Last thing to do on these for now is we're going to cut them to 18 inches long. So remember, trim an end, then set it to 18. So I'm going to stack them up and just do them at once. But keep in mind, go slow through this. If you go too fast, you're going to get tear out the back. And even going slow, I got a little bit, just comes right off. Now I'm going to slide it down and set this to 18 inches, right on that little line. And make sure they're even and cut them again.